پر اردن کی قرارداد منظور ہو گئی ہے۔ قرارداد کے حق میں 120 جبکہ اس کے خلاف 14 ووٹ پڑے۔ رائے شماری میں 45 ملکوں نے حصہ نہیں لیا۔ ہندوستان نے ووٹنگ کے عمل میں حصہ نہیں لیا۔ ہندوستان نے قرارداد پر دہشت گردی کی مذمت کی۔ ہندوستان نے دہشت گردی کے خلاف متحد ہو کر زیرو ٹالرنس اختیار کرنے کی بات کہی ہے۔ ہندوستان نے غزہ کی حالت پر تشویش کا اظہار کیا اور کشیدگی کم کرنے کی کوششوں کی حمایت کرنے کی بات کہی۔
In a world where differences and disputes should be resolved by dialogue, this august body should be deeply concerned at recourse to violence. That too, when it happens on a scale and intensity that is an affront to basic human values. Violence as a means to achieve political objectives damages indiscriminately and does not pave the way for any durable solutions. The terror attacks in Israel on 7th October were shocking and deserve condemnation. Our thoughts are also with those taken hostages. We call for their immediate and unconditional release. Terrorism is a malignancy and knows no borders, nationality, or race. The world should not buy into any justification of terror acts. Let us keep aside differences, unite, and adopt a zero-tolerance approach to terrorism. Mr. President, casualties in the ongoing conflict in Gaza are a telling, serious, and continuing concern. Civilians, especially women and children, are paying with their lives. This humanitarian crisis needs to be addressed. We welcome the international community's de-escalation efforts and delivery of humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza. India too has contributed to this effort.